what's up guys? Welcome back to our vlog. Charot! Hi, hello, I'm Althea, and today we will learn about permutation and combination. But what exactly is permutation, and how is it different from a combination? Let's find out. So the difference of permutation and combination is that permutation is defined as different ways of arranging R objects out of given N objects in a particular order, represents arrangement, order of objects, or arrangement matter. It is also denoted by NPR. While combination is defined as groupings or selection R objects out of N objects where order of the objects does not matter. It represents grouping or selection. It is also denoted by NCR. So this is the formula of permutation, which P symbolizes the number of permutation, N is the total number of objects in the set, and R is the number of choosing objects from the set. So P, open parenthesis, N, R, close parenthesis, equivalent to N factorial divided by, open parenthesis, N minus R, close parenthesis, factorial. So this is the combination formula. A combination is a grouping or subset of items. For combination, the order does not matter. So C, open parenthesis, NR, close parenthesis, minus NCR equals N factorial divided by, open parenthesis, N minus R, close parenthesis, factorial times R factorial. So for example, how many three-letter words with or without meaning can be formed out of the letters of the word swing when repetition of the letters is not allowed? So in this case, we are going to use the permutation formula. So here, N is equals to 5, as the word swing has 5 letters. Since we have to frame three-letter words with or without meaning and without repetition, therefore, total permutations possible are P, open parenthesis, N, R, close parenthesis, equals 5 factorial divided by, open parenthesis, 5 minus 3, close parenthesis, factorial, equals to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1, divided by 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, so it will be 2 times 1. So after that, we are going to multiply 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1, and it is equals to 120, and 2 times 1 is equals to 2. So if we're going to divide 120 divided by 2, it is equals to 60. So the next example that I will show you is probably the combination. So it says how many different committees of 3 people can be chosen from a group of 8 people, because the order in which the members of the committee are chosen does not affect the result. So we should use combinations. So the combinations formula is with N is equals to 8, which is the total group of people, and R, which is the selected people or the people that can be chosen from the group. So it is 8C3 equals 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial, open parenthesis, 8 minus 3, close parenthesis, factorial. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to subtract in the denominator, which is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5, so it will be 8C3 equals 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 5 factorial. So the next one is the definition of n factorial, which is 8C3 equals 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1 divided by 3 times 2 times 1 and times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So the next thing we will do is we are going to cancel 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 and so on with under that. So let us now divide out the common factors, which is 8 times 7 times 6 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. So if we're going to multiply 8 times 7 times 6, the answer is 336. And if we are going to multiply the 3 times 2 times 1, the answer is 6. So 336 divided by 6 is equals to 56 committees. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something. Please stay safe and drink your water. Again, this is Althea, now signing off.